In this and subsequent videos, we will be discussing the review questions concerned with modification in logic circuit for implementation of traffic control application. Now the first question is, suggest the modification in the logic if the sequence cycle is to be repeated only for 20 times. Now this is the basic circuit which we will modify. I have already explained the working of this circuit and also shown its simulation in the previous video. If you haven't watched that video, then I suggest to watch that video before you proceed any further in this video or watch any other review question videos. The link for that video is given in the description, and in these review question videos I would only be explaining the modification part of circuit. Now, this is the modified circuit. It consists of, in addition to the basic circuit, an additional up counter, a NOT gate, and an AND gate. So initially when input is given to the system, all the timers and counters are in reset state and all the lights are off at t equal to 0 time. Now, when the counter is in reset state, its output is 0, and when input is given to the system, this input to AND gate becomes 1, and as the property of an up counter is that its output only becomes 1 after the accumulated value in the accumulator becomes equal to the preset value, so this 0 would not become 1 until the counter reaches 20. So due to this NOT gate, the second input of AND gate would also be 1 and AND gate would be logically on. The cycle would start and the green, yellow and red light would turn on in respective sequence. And now this cycle would continue as was shown in the basic circuit. Each time this red light turns on, the counter also increments by 1, and when the red light turns on for the 20th time, the counter has its accumulated value equal to preset value of 20, and then this output becomes 1. Subsequently, due to this NOT gate, the second input of AND gate becomes 0 and this AND gate now turns logically off. So after running the cycle for 20 times, this AND gate with the help of this counter now stops the cycle as the input supply is cut off by this AND gate itself. The process stops and no light glows any further. Now let us see the simulator. So we would need one digital input block, three digital output blocks as the three lights, three on delay timers, first name the lights, now The time base for the timers in this simulator is in milliseconds. So to enter 25 seconds, we have to enter 25,000 milliseconds. And likewise for other timers as well. Next, we would need 5 AND gates and 5 NOT gates. Lastly, we would need an up counter to count the number of cycles. Instead of stopping the system after repeating 20 cycles, as it would take considerably longer time, we can also stop the system after repeating just 2 cycles and check the results. That would also mean the same thing. So entering the preset value of 2 in the up counter, and now we are all set with the circuit. So compile, run. Now the system would start as soon as we toggle the digital input block, and as soon as input is given to system, this green light turns on and 25-second timer starts running. Immediately afterwards, the 5-second timer starts running and yellow light is on, and then red light turns on with 30-second timer running and the up counter is incremented by 1. Now as soon as 30-second timer has reached its preset value, again green light turns on, 25-second timer once again starts running, and this is the start of the second cycle. Then yellow light turns on, then red light turns on, up counter is incremented by 1, accumulator is equal to preset value, and hence this AND gate is now off, so the whole system stops, and the process stops after repeating for 2 cycles.